Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's equal parts luxury and practicality: backyard outdoor showers. Whether you're dreaming of a spa-like retreat or a simple rinse-off station after a dip in the pool, you're going to love these inspiring outdoor shower ideas. Let's start with the basics: planning. Before you even pick up a tool or purchase fixtures, think about the location, privacy, plumbing, and climate. Placing your shower near an existing water line can save on installation costs. Also, think about drainage. Does the water flow somewhere? Safe and natural. And of course, privacy. You want a relaxing experience, not a show for the neighbors. The easiest and most budget-friendly option is to install a shower head directly into the exterior wall of your house. It uses the plumbing that is already there, and with a little tile or treated wood backdrop, it can look amazing. A DIY shower made from PVC pipe is incredibly affordable and surprisingly stylish. Add a foot wash spout and a simple switch for an on-off, perfect for seasonal use. The bucket rings. This one as simple as it sounds: a large bucket suspended from a beam with a pull cord. It is charmingly rustic and a fun addition to a cottage or cabin backyard. This cedar panel shower. Install vertical cedar planks as a wall backdrop with a reinforced shower head mounted in the center. Cedar is naturally water resistant and smells amazing when wet. Teak privacy booth. Teak wood is luxurious and durable. Build a small enclosure with slatted teak walls that offer airflow and privacy. Add a small teak bench and matching towel hooks for style and function. Driftwood frame. For a coastal vibe, gather smooth driftwood branches and create a natural enclosure. Use rope joints to keep it organic. It is ideal for beach houses and surf shacks. Cabin-style logs. This one features round timber posts, almost like mini log cabin walls. You can integrate copper piping for that rustic meets industrial look. Add stone pavers beneath for better drainage. Pebble floor and mosaic floor. Use flat river rocks on the floor for a massaging surface and a decorative mosaic tile design for the back wall. It is artistic, tactile, and visually stunning. This slate platform. Elevate your shower literally by placing it on a slate platform. It is non-slip, and the dark stone contrasts beautifully with metal fixtures. Mediterranean terracotta. If you love warm, earthy tones, go for terracotta tile with turquoise or cobalt blue accent. The whole look screams coastal Spain or southern Italy. Cobblestone path. Imagine stepping across a winding cobblestone path that leads you to your outdoor shower. The path itself becomes a part of the aesthetic journey. Concrete modernism. Clean lines, minimal design. A simple concrete wall with an embedded shower head and a minimalist bench. Sleek, durable, and easy to maintain. White wall black fixtures. Create a sharp contrast with white wall concrete or stucco walls and matte black shower hardware. Add a black framed mirror to complete the modern look. Glass windbreaks. Use thick tempered glass as partial walls to shield from the breeze while maintaining an open airy feel. Add a bamboo mat for warmth underfoot. LED rain head. Install an overhead rain shower with built-in LED lighting. It is dramatic, especially at night. Great for evening rinses after a late swim or hot tub soak. Living wall. Imagine showering beside a wall covered in lush greenery, ferns, moss, succulents. It is eco-friendly and serene. Just make sure the plants can handle overspray. Solar cistern shower. Use a black painted barrel or cistern elevated on a wooden rack to capture and heat water naturally. Add basic plumbing and you've got hot water off the grid. And there you have it. Inspiring ideas to transform your backyard with the simple luxury of an outdoor shower. Whether you're going full spa retreat or minimalist rinse station, there is a design here to match your vibe, your climate, and your budget. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out next home and garden inspiration video. Drop your favorite idea in the comments. We'd love to hear what inspired you. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative, stay refreshed, and we'll see you next time.